7 rules and 8 methods for responding to passive-aggressive people. Method 1. Active listening technique. Once you have the rules for managing PA people firmly in mind and feel comfortable with being able to use these rules in your interactions with PA people, the following methods can provide further direction. These methods may be used individually or in combination. Sometimes you may try one, and if that doesn't work, follow with another one. The methods are in no particular order and should be used based upon your goal and what you have determined previously regarding the PA person's intent and reward. Method 1. Active listening technique. I like this technique because it is generally an effective method of communication, and yet, if someone is being PA, it becomes an indirect way of confronting the person about the PA communication. As such, it is likely to result in a reduction of the PA behavior. This method is to listen intently to the other person, show an interest in what they are saying, and respond once they are finished. When you respond, restate their comments. So, I understand that you are saying, is that correct? For example, so I understand that you are saying I'm fat because I eat too many snack foods. Is that correct? Notice that you're just restating what was said, but by doing it in such a way that requires a PA person to take responsibility for their statement. As I've said previously, this is the very thing the PA person doesn't want to do, so you are likely to see a reduction in the PA behavior over time if you continue to make them responsible for their statements. In addition, the active listening technique reduces acting on assumptions. If you are wrong about the statement being PA, this technique allows you to obtain clarification prior to any further action. Finally, this method allows you to confront them with feelings once you have clarified their intent. I feel hurt that you feel it is necessary to say that, as if I am not aware of the problem. It comes across as criticism. Next, learn how to use the laugh and agree method to negate a PA comment.